When modern patterns look vintage. This is one of them. I'm going to show you more details of this pattern, and I'll also pop the pattern details at the end of the video for you. This little jumper is knit in lace yarn, which is really quite fine, but it gives a nice, light, airy pullover. I think it's got a bit of a vintage vibe to it, even though it isn't a vintage pattern. I'll show you the pattern at the end. But it's an all-over lace pattern all the way down, and there is a little border across the bottom. This V shape is done by reducing stitches, and that just brings the work up. So even though it looks quite complicated, this zigzag, it's actually quite a simple pattern to do, and it's just repeated all along. Got little grown on sleeves. The back and the front are exactly the same as each other, and I really enjoy this jumper, and it's a nice little one to wear. Because it's so light, it's nice for the summer, so you're not too warm, but looking chic also, as one likes to do. This is the pattern I used. It's by Debbie Bliss, Rialto Lace, and it's called the Striped Chevron Top. She's got 4 colours in her version, but I decided to do just 2, and I narrowed the stripes as well, so they are just a 4 rows instead of 8 rows. I do remember when I knitted it, I also knitted it a bit longer than the pattern. Please hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and check out my playlist for more inspirational knitting videos, and subscribe if you'd like to learn lots more top tips and how to knit as well for yourself. Thank you.